Howdy ho, neighbor. What you cooking this week?
Hey Wilson, how you doing this week? I have a keto recipe I'm working on. It's stir-fry Fahita Hasselback chicken. Pretty good actually.
Ah, the keto recipe. The idea of reducing carbohydrate intakes, thus forcing your body to convert the fat into ketones and burning that for energy.
Oh really? Is that how keto works, huh? Well, how about that? Well, I'll tell you what. Here, let me show you how I make my stir-fry Fahita Hasselback chicken. Follow me along in this video.
My God, what did you eat?
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.